In this video, I would like to show how you can check IMEI number in Oppo. So in order to find, see or check your IMEI number on the Oppo smartphone, it's a very simple, task. Just launch settings, enter the about device category, and from here go for the status. At the status page, I have both the IMEI numbers that I have since, my phone has dual SIM slot. If your particular Oppo phone is the one that only allows you to go with one SIM card, should it be one physical or one eSIM, whatever is that, because if your physical SIM card tray has only one slot, but your phone supports the installation of the second virtual SIM, you will still have two IMEI numbers. So whatever is that, your particular case, you will have both or single IMEI numbers / number over there. If by checking IMEI number you meant really checking the specs that come with it, you gotta simply copy whatever IMEI number you have, IMEI 1 or IMEI 2, doesn't matter at all. Then open the IMEI.info website, or IMEI.info, that's the URL you have to go in order to get to the IMEI.info website. Then at the main page of the IMEI.info you have this convenient field, which you will need to pass the IMEI number to. Then confirm that you're a human by performing the CAPTCHA check. So where is the beer? Here they are. Then hit the check button and the site will conveniently provide you with all possible specifications that can be possibly discovered from or using the provided IMEI number. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.